Sawubona Mzansi. I'd like to tell you how my day went yesterday. So yesterday I was working on MIH, bringing a new feature to the application. So that is under the Mzansi profile, that will be our profile links. So having like a link tree kind of feature and allowing you to add different links to different platforms and other places like that. Links that you'd like people to see. And after I'd done the design and the look and feel of the UI of MIH, I thought, okay, it's a good time for me to work on some APIs for the application, connecting the front end with our database. So I headed over to MzansiVim to start development, and I realized that when I open up a Python file, my syntax highlighting wasn't really looking that good. I have a picture over here that I can show you. So it looks something like this, where you can see there is minimum syntax highlighting. It's just like variables, functions, some of the different keywords highlight for you, but it's not the best looking. And I know there's more highlighting to this. So I was sitting and trying to figure this out and try to understand what exactly is going wrong. And then what I realized is inside the MzansiVim configurations on the back end of it, it uses Treesitter, which is a tool that helps with the highlighting and the coloring of the different keywords and stuff of your application, depending on the different language. So this is the tool that we use inside MzansiVim. So it's NVim Treesitter. And I remember watching a video not too long ago from the Primogen. He's a YouTuber, coding YouTuber that's quite great. And he created a video called No More Treesitter on Neovim. And I remember watching it thinking, this thing is not going to affect me. Then I went back to it and watched it again, and I realized, nah, this is definitely affecting MzansiVim. So you can watch this video to find out more about it, but I'll tell you about it in a few seconds. If you'd like to check out the Primogen, here's his YouTube channel. Great YouTube channel, the one that inspired me to switch to Neovim. So basically in that video, he was saying that there was some drama inside the Neovim Treesitter world where the owner of Treesitter basically made the repository an archive repository, so no one can contribute, and it's only in read-only mode, so only he can make the changes to it. And the reason why he did that was someone asked a question, why is there no releases or something like that on the issues section, and the owner came to it and explained why, and then someone else jumped into the conversation and started shouting at this contributor, saying why is he doing this and XYZ, and like basically they're shouting at him, someone who's doing this for free. So then he said, okay, not a problem, made his repository read-only. So basically what the issue was is we were currently running Neovim 0.11 point something. If you have a look at the Neovim Treesitter README file, you'll see this caution section that this is a full rewrite and it's not compatible with Neovim 11. It is, however, compatible with Neovim 12, and we have to update our configuration and stuff. So before knowing this, I spent the entire day chatting with Gemini, chatting with Claude, trying to figure this out, and they were helping me fix the configurations, but nothing was working at all. Then last night I remembered that video that I spoke about, and I thought, nah, this must be the issue. I went and read the documentation, which I think I should start doing going forward, and found out that it's firstly incompatible, and there's some new configuration settings that I had to set up on my side. So I did that. Everything is sorted now, and MzansiVim is currently working. I can show you that quickly. If you can see, this is our Python file that we were using previously, and this is the same one. You can see how much more colorful it is and how much better it looks for you when you're going through and developing things. So it is up and running right now. So please, if you are using MzansiVim as your IDE, please make sure you upgrade Neovim to Neovim 0.12, and also you pull the latest changes to MzansiVim. And if you're not yet using MzansiVim, please feel free to head over to GitHub, to search for Mzansi space Vim. Make sure you like it, you start it, all of those nice things. Or you can head over to the MIH Git, and you can find the exact same repo over there. I'm not sure if any other developers out there are experiencing such things where one person changes one thing that affects your whole project and you'll have to debug it for a couple days in order to fix it. Let me know in the comments, in the chats, what your story is like. Looking forward to hearing them, and let's keep working hard, Mzansi.